Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. This time we talk about how you can change the font of the time on your Apple Watch. It's important to know that we're talking about Apple here, and as we all know, the customization they allow can be kind of limited at times. But here is what you can do. Whenever you hold down on the watch face on the watch, you have the ability to customize it by clicking the Customize button below. So tap on it and you can then swipe through the categories of customization. When you swipe through the watch horizontally while being in the edit mode, you can see that the thing you're customizing is changing. So you can see that, for example, the color can be customized, or the night mode, complications, and so on. And since we want to change the time font, or at least work with the time look that we have, we need to find the style option. When you get to the style customization page, you can then use the digital crown to rotate it and see all the fonts available. Keep in mind that this is really specific to each watch face that you use. If you can't see the options that I have right here, it might be because you're customizing a completely different watch face. For example, on the Mickey Mouse watch face, you can't really do much except for changing the character. So no time customization at all. Basically, the options you can see in the customization page are all there is to it. There is no other place where you can access more settings for it. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope I helped you understand a little bit how it works. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any other thoughts. Consider subscribing to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.